The Cuyahoga County Animal Shelter is where lost or abandoned dogs end up in Cuyahoga County. So if you know someone looking for their lost dog, they could be on this video, or check them out in person on Sweet Valley Drive in Valley View. Here's volunteer director and shelter manager Kara Archer with another adorable animal, a lovable beagle, looking for a home this week.
Hi guys. Got two fantastic dogs here today. The first one being Bunker, who's in kennel 6. Believe it or not, this handsome fellow is about 7 years old. He doesn't really act like it. However, he is a beagle. Now, most people are afraid that beagles bay. Bunker does not. He does a dance in his cage. He is relatively quiet until you have food. Then he will jump on you. Like a typical beagle, he has his nose to the ground. And he actually went to the listener lunch yesterday, and he was a hit. I've never seen a dog eat more bratwurst. But Bunker has been approved to be good with a good amount of younger children. He's been with multiple other dogs. He can be hand shy, but he does like to cuddle, and his worst complaint is that he will roll over in the middle of a walk to get a belly rub. So he's up to date on all of his vaccinations, heartworm negative, still needs to be neutered, but if you want a very gentle soul, Bunker is the one for you in kennel number 6. Hey guys, completely different personality than Bunker. This is Araya. She's in kennel 14, and to be honest, we think she might be a boxer mix. We really have no idea. Total raccoon-looking dog. Araya is around 7-8 months old. She's had her first sets of vaccinations. She still needs to be spayed though. As you can see, she's a very unruly but loving puppy. However, on a good note, she has been around many children and other dogs. She went to the first ever Yappy Hour down at Quaker State and the Canine Fun Days this weekend. She could not stop greeting everybody. She just wanted to be in their laps and loving on them. So we are working on her basic commands here. She does walk a lot better on the leash than right now how she's showing you guys. And she will work for food. So all she has to do is get spayed. But if you're ready for a happy puppy, what better back to school present for your family than Araya?
so many great looking dogs in every shape, size, color, personality. Look at this cute little terrier mix. It looks like he's got some Shih Tzu in him. Chocolate brown, little scared, waiting for a home. Or how about this Boston Terrier? How cute is he? Visit CuyahogaDogs.org for more information.